Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So I saw this from the Cryptic Poet. OKCoin is suspending XRP trading and deposits, and the FUD continues. Okay, we're gonna see more exchanges do this. US crypto exchange OKCoin is suspending XRP trading and deposits, and this is happening on January 4th until further notice. Let's note that they are suspending XRP trading and deposits. They are not delisting XRP by any means. There is a big difference there. And again, guys, remember, these are all American exchanges that are doing this. No other exchange around the world is delisting XRP, at least not to my knowledge. This is an issue specific to the United States, and I know American XRP investors are by and large probably very, very worried about this. But again, let's not forget, this will get cleared up. It will see its day in court. And so, short-term pain for long-term gain. Sharing the news exclusively with The Block on Monday, OKCoin said the decision was made in light of the recent lawsuit, as we can all imagine. The SEC claims that XRP is a security, blah, blah, blah. And so OKCoin is saying it is likely that the situation will take time to reach a resolution. We will proactively inform our customers when we have information that may change our position. So they are indeed saying, this isn't the end of days. This isn't our final decision on this. This is just what we have to do at this moment in time, and that's just that. Okay, again, a temporary measure. So thanks to the Cryptic Poet for posting that. I also saw this from Michael at Val5Links. 82 million XRP has shifted by Coinbase and Bitstamp, while XRP loses the number 3 spot to Tether. And again, of course, more news here. People panic selling and panic shifting, likely because they are worried that they may have their cryptocurrency on the exchange, their XRP, and they might not be able to sell it or use it if it is indeed on an exchange that is going to temporarily halt the trading of XRP. So Whale Alert crypto tracking bot has spotted 2 major digital exchanges shifting a gargantuan amount of XRP, 82 million coins. Whale Alert has published these details of 3 large transactions that carried a cumulative of 82 million XRP tokens. That's about $18.5 million in US currency. Approximately 60 million XRP was shifted by Coinbase between its wallets. Bitstamp moved 22 million XRP to a custodial service, BitGo. So lots of XRP on the move right now. Of course, we are seeing prices decline as this news keeps coming out. But again, guys, a lot of this, I believe, is just panic selling. A lot of newbie investors in the space not really realizing what they had gotten into, perhaps. And of course, this is a black swan event. Nobody could have imagined this happening the day before Jay Clayton was going to leave his position at the SEC. And there will likely be more exchanges in the United States specifically that delist. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It is what they have to do in order to protect their company so that they don't get sued as well. So this is all par for the course. I did a video this morning where I talk a little bit about Elon Musk and the sale of Tesla stock and how it plummeted when he was being sued by the SEC, when he was charged for, which was alleged securities fraud. I will link that video up here in the top right-hand corner if you guys didn't catch that this morning. At the end of the day, though, price rebounded, everything got sorted out, the dust settled, so to speak, and Tesla shares went through the roof. I have a feeling the same kind of thing is going to happen here. So again, we're trading right now just below 20 cents. But that's not the lowest we have seen XRP. Of course, we have seen XRP base down here mid-March after the crash. It went as low as 11 cents. And we still have support here at about 17, guys. 17 and a half, give or take. So as terrible and miserable and however you want to call it as this looks at the moment, again, this is panic sellers selling. We have to look at the fundamentals of this cryptocurrency. The fundamentals of XRP have not changed, and therefore, its use case, its position in the world has not changed. Again, guys, this lawsuit is not just about XRP being deemed a security or a currency. It is also about how Brad and Chris had treated it in the past 8 years ago. So this is a bigger issue, of course, rather than is XRP, should it be, classified as a security by the SEC and should it fall under those laws? This is not specifically about that, so just keep that in mind. I've got this tweet here from David Schwartz XRP here on Twitter. I wanted to bring this to you straight out of the horse's mouth. Hodl your XRP as tight as you can. And this video, courtesy of Bank XRP, this is Dilip Rao at the Islamic Economy Summit, and I just wanted to play you this. This is from a couple of years ago. Just listen to what he has to say.
Bulk of XRP sales were to institutional investors. And as this transitions away from retail to institutions who will start to use it for wholesale financial usage, that's when the turning point will come.
Got it.
Okay, so just a real quick clip here from Dilip Rao at the Global Islamic Economy Summit. I believe it was back in 2018. It could have been 2019. And you hear that there is going to be a shift. XRP Duvalier down here saying, I got my price at retail. Now they are trying to stop retail like me and you not being able to buy XRP. Exactly, responds David Schwartz XRP here. And, a lot of people posting this, these Brad Garlinghouse memes. BitPower Bard is not buying it. He's going to jail. Many people are being hurt from his behavior, stealing from the community, and I think that this opinion might be stated too prematurely. We have to see how all this shakes out. Of course, we don't know the true facts, but Ripple has hinted that, we have only heard one side of the story, that this is all going to be straightened out once they go to court, once they talk about the entire story. They've got the best lawyers on their side, former employees at the SEC, so I have a feeling that this is going to be a positive outcome for at least XRP, the cryptocurrency. 850 Last King here saying out of 100 people, only 4 will get this message. 187 on BTC says the XRP community will get it and bunker down and look at custom paint jobs for their Lambos in the near future. So what will the turning point be? Crypto Podcast down here saying the turning point will be the flywheel. This is when we will see XRP start moving. But others in the community, of course, are still skeptical, and I wanted to bring you everything here. The accountant, Jay the accountant here saying, reading through the lawsuit, if true, Ripple really treated XRP as their own personal security. They acted as a market maker, adjusting the price through buybacks and lower than market price sells. Management personally dumped XRP at times when it was detrimental to price. He goes on to say they manipulated PR for price increases to offset their personal sells. MGI, MoneyGram, and Ripple touted the cost savings of blockchain that was manipulative to investors in MGI. MGI stated that they do not depend on Ripple XRP, and not defending its utility speaks volumes. He goes on to say, how are you all dealing with these items stated in the lawsuit? We know XRP is not a security, but literally what happens when the company Ripple is being accused of treating it as a security? My mind is blown. Why would they do this, worsening their position that XRP is a currency? XRP Euphoria down here bringing up a good point. Hard to imagine they could get a former SEC chair as their defense if they were guilty. No? And then some people discussing about O.J. Simpson and how he had a pretty good defense lawyer, yada yada, so on and so forth. I am Legion saying we all have different views on this case. I'll just ignore the noise and wait for the result of the lawsuit. A lot of people feeling very confident because of, all the research we've done over the years. The fact remains the same. The 2.5 years that I've been doing this channel, I've been doing research literally every single day. I have never missed a day doing this channel. I have been releasing a video at least every single day. I have been on my computer doing research about XRP literally every single day since mid-June 2018. And so the research to me speaks for itself. XRP is going to have value because it solves a problem. XRP is clearly not a security for many different reasons. And this lawsuit is not about XRP specifically, even though it feels like it at the moment, guys. It is about Brad and Chris, how they treated XRP as stated up here, right? Treating it as a security, as the accountant, Jay the accountant mentions here. So Phil D, XRP says that's what the SEC pretends, but can you explain to me how you adjust the market when your sales are 1% of the daily volume? I have then to assume that BTC influence is created by Ripple. The accountant says the 1% sales we know about. How about the offloading of XRP at discounted prices that were immediately sold in the short term? What about the discovery process in court? Maybe there are entities devoted to market making. Ripple supports more like MGI. We just don't know. So, of course, there could be some ramifications for both Brad and Chris, depending on what they did. And again, I can only speculate on that because I do not know what happened behind closed doors. What I do know, though, XRP solves a problem, and Ripple, the company, has partnerships with over 350 banks worldwide. Whether they were plotting a nefarious strategy or not, the fact of the matter remains, XRP does have the potential to change the world of finance. The proof is in the pudding. So a very interesting conversation going on in this tweet thread, guys. I will link it in the description if you want to jump in. And despite all this, of course, we've got the Flare Network and Leonidas here. Am I the only one troubled by FLR's distribution, according to the white paper? Then he goes on about the white paper. Down here, Flare Networks has said, as mentioned several times before, we have taken extensive legal advice on the position of FXRP. So they have done their due diligence. Of course, they are still moving on with their airdrop. This statement coming on the heels of Arturo Pertilla statement here, here to note that in case XRP is conclusively determined to be a security, then FXRP would potentially be a security derivative. Any thoughts on this? They have done their due diligence and they are not worried either. Just thought I'd bring up that point to you guys as well. And so other people concerned about cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States shutting down or at least temporarily halting the trading of XRP. Ian Northing here had a discussion with somebody at Kraken. Thanks for reaching out. This is Dan from Kraken support team. Of course, we are fully aware of the announcement from the SEC. For now, clients can still trade XRP on Kraken. Please feel free to subscribe to our blog to get more information. So as of now, nothing is happening on the Kraken exchange, and we can see that here in the numbers, the volume here of XRP going up actually on Kraken and Uphold, as Coincheck, Bitbank, and Bitstamp volumes are decreasing. So people are shifting their XRP around. I have a feeling that people are not really sure what's going to happen. They don't want to sell their XRP, but they don't want their XRP to be stuck either. So they're either signing up for a different exchange, whether that's a Binance account or something else, or a cold storage custodian solution like a Ledger Nano. I do have an affiliate link, guys, in the description of this video. I personally use the Ledger Nano. You don't have to use my affiliate if you do not want to, but this is part of the reason why I wanted my cryptocurrency on cold storage, so that I didn't have to worry about shifting it around from exchange to exchange in the case that something like this happened. Not only that, of course, exchanges are prone to hacks as well. So I like to keep my cryptocurrency safe. Again, you can use my affiliate link. You do not have to if you guys want a cold storage solution for your XRP. If you're panicking, you're thinking to yourself, you know what, I'm not going to take the risk. Maybe Kraken will eventually halt XRP trading as well, because we're seeing this come in waves, right? We didn't hear about Coinbase at the beginning. Now just today we heard about Coinbase. Kraken, Uphold, they might delist XRP. We just don't know yet. But I want to continue, guys, because SBI Holdings says XRP is a crypto asset under the Japanese law and not a security. This from XRP Crypto Wolf. Of course, Japan, very XRP friendly. SBI Chief Executive Yoshitaka Kitao has taken to Twitter to share another statement released by the SBI Group, Ripple's major partner in Japan, regarding XRP and the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. He goes on to say XRP is a cryptocurrency asset under Japanese law. Yoshitaka Kitao has shared a link to another statement issued by the major Ripple partner and investor from Japan regarding the SEC's legal suit against Ripple, citing an article by an author named Nomura Research Institute. So it was the Nomura Research Institute. I did a video on that just yesterday. I'll link that up here in the top right-hand corner. And Yoshitaka Kitao, the CEO of SBI, also parroting that same sentiment. XRP, good to go in Japan, and this is why there is no panic selling in Japan. They are going to use XRP. They are using XRP. They have been using XRP because it does have the utility. Of course, it solves a problem. They see the benefit in it. And so, again, this issue right now is just because of the SEC, and it's only affecting the United States. Let's think about this globally, okay? When you zoom out and you look at all the other countries around the world who have not halted XRP trading, it just goes to show you something. The SEC is trying to send a message in the United States, and in the United States, this does need to get cleared up. The cryptocurrency regulatory clarity is coming by the end of January. This is at least what Brian Brooks told us. I talked about that in a video I did this morning. I'll link that up in the top right-hand corner if you guys didn't catch that. And if you did still have doubts, let me point you towards this from Jerry and Frecky here on Twitter at MaxXRPBTC. Looks like we have accredited investors buying XRP Trust today. It's up 8.47%. So this coming from Grayscale, and these are their numbers from just yesterday, okay, December 28th. Look at the Grayscale XRP Trust. It's up to 11.2 million. Now let's look at the same number back from December 24th, just around the time that Jay Clayton made the announcement that they were going to sue Ripple. The trust was down at about 10.3 million, and then of course 4 days later it's up to 11.2 million. Let's also not forget Grayscale is for institutional investors, guys. This is not retail traders like you and I. This is big money we're talking about here. So let's put everything into perspective. If Grayscale is increasing the value of the Grayscale XRP Trust, more money is flowing into XRP there for their institutional clients. What makes you really think that panic selling is a good idea? Tell me down in the comments. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.